Uline industrial protective clothing protects workers from dirt, grime, and light liquid splashes. Made of SMS material with 3 layers of polypropylene, industrial protective clothing resists tears and abrasions, making it ideal for use in industrial environments, laboratories, and for equipment maintenance. Uline industrial protective clothing is also FDA compliant, making it ideal for use in agricultural and food processing applications. It features a splash and abrasion-resistant middle layer to protect against non-hazardous particles and aerosols. And the cloth-like fabric is breathable, allowing moisture to escape, keeping workers cool and comfortable. Industrial protective clothing is available in multiple styles to best suit your needs, including coveralls with elastic wrists and ankles, coveralls with a hood, deluxe coveralls with a hood and booties, and a lab coat with elastic wrists and snap closure. Whatever your safety needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.